Mr. Solomon was running a shoe business in England as a sole proprietor. But the business was running into losses, so he decided to form a company with himself, his wife, 4 sons, and 1 daughter. The shoe business was sold to the company for £39,000. Mr. Solomon received from the company the purchase price in the form of 20,000 fully paid up shares of £1 each and 10,000 in secured debentures. And the balance of £9,000 was used to pay off the business debts. But the company ran into financial difficulties and went into liquidation within a year. On liquidation, the assets realized only £6,000 and the entire amount was paid to Mr. Solomon as he was the owner of secured debentures. Nothing was paid to the unsecured creditors. The creditors claimed priority over Mr. Solomon, saying that Mr. Solomon and the company were one and the same. The creditors were outsiders, they should be paid first. It was held that the company had been validly incorporated and therefore had an independent existence distinct from its members. Mr. Solomon was entitled to be paid his dues before they were paid to the unsecured creditors. The fact that Mr. Solomon and his family owned the entire company had no bearing on the validity of the company. It was observed that the business belonged to the company and not Mr. Solomon. The company and Mr. Solomon enjoyed separate legal status. Subscribe to my channel for such learning videos.